Introduce highlight features or overview summary about GarveeHome 105 Pint commercial dehumidifiers. When it comes to managing moisture in large spaces, having a powerful and reliable dehumidifier is essential. This 105 pint per day dehumidifier is designed to handle demanding environments, making it the perfect choice for basements, warehouses, garages, or even flood restoration projects. With the ability to cover areas up to 8,000 square feet, it delivers professional-grade performance while remaining user-friendly for both residential and commercial applications. One of its standout features is the built-in drain hose and 24-hour timer, which allow for continuous operation without the hassle of constantly emptying a water bucket. This makes it not only convenient but also practical for areas where excess moisture is a recurring problem. Whether you're restoring a water-damaged space or maintaining a large home, this unit provides consistent results with minimal effort. Mobility is another advantage. With 4 smooth gliding wheels and a sturdy top handle, moving the dehumidifier from one location to another is effortless, even in large or cluttered spaces. This portability ensures that you can use it wherever it's needed most, from job sites to living spaces, without straining to reposition it. Safety and comfort have also been prioritized in its design. Features such as a child lock provide peace of mind in family households, while the auto defrost function keeps the machine running efficiently even in colder environments. Despite its impressive power, the unit is engineered to operate quietly, making it suitable for use in both professional and residential settings without disrupting daily activities. In short, this 105 pint dehumidifier combines strength, convenience, and safety in one versatile package. Whether you need it for heavy-duty moisture removal in warehouses or everyday comfort in large homes, it delivers consistent performance and durability you can rely on. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.